This is how you check your students' grades using their login.
First, you will type in my NCEdcloud, my NCEdcloud.org. Rapid Identity will pop up, and you will have your student to enter in their username, which is usually their student ID or their lunch, also known as their lunch number. You'll click Go. Then you'll have your student to enter in their password. This is the same password they use to log into Canvas to do their assignments, and username. Click Go. I don't want to save the password on this particular computer, so I'm going to click No Thanks. Here are the different apps and rapid identity that your students have access to. Canvas is where they complete all of their assignments, and they submit their assignments, and they go here to see what assignments need to be completed. We want to go to Power School Student to view their grades. So I'm going to click here. These are your students' grades. Here you have all of your students' classes as well as their attendance. If you notice that this is not correct, please make sure that you go and you have your students you talk to your teacher about any absences that they may have. Here you have each class that your student participates in. You have their first core class, their second core class, and for this particular student, you have their encore classes. This is their first encore, this is their second encore, and then their third core class is social studies and science combined. You have their first quarter grades and their second quarter grades. You can click on the grade to actually see the assignments that the student has completed. So here I can look at all of the assignments and the grades for this particular class. If I want to go back, I go back and click back, and then I click the next class. A sure indicator that your student needs to make up work. If they have a 50, then that means that they have not completed an assignment. So for this particular student, they have not completed a reading log. For 1 week, they haven't completed another reading log, and they have a few other assignments, one being a graphic organizer and a paragraph they need to complete. They will go back into Rapid Identity under Canvas and complete those assignments. This is how you view grades using your student's account. Again, you may click on any of these numbers and it will take you into the student's account, into their grades, and you can see what assignments need to be made up.